Good morning mga kasipa, kasama ang grassroots. Training tayo ngayon habang maaraw in preparation para sa August 9-10 tournament. Kasipa, pakilala ka.
My name is Chris Clarence Pagpapayomo and I am 12 years old. My position is feeder.
My name is Evan Ciandasio and I'm 12 years old and my position is Tega.
My name is Sean Christoph Miranda. I'm 12 years old. My position is Spider.
My name is Jardias Aragosinas. I'm 12 years old and my position is Tiger.
My name is Miguel Mariari and I'm 16 years old. Position is Spider.
My name is Ronson Asendo while my age is 12. My position is Peter. I'm Zuljana Kamas Emanuel. I'm age 12 and my position is 10. My name is Andrea and Ganero. I'm 10 years old. My position is Peter. I'm Lamitin Peter and my age is 11 years old. My position is 5.
Ini.
My name is Mario Jake Perfecto. Age 12. Position Tekong.
Ay, ako po si Rafael Villasero. Age 14. Position ko po is Spiker.
Okay, sila po yung magkukumpit. August 9-10. Training tayo. Okay, start. Full stretching. Begin.